Good afternoon to all. Let us start to revise the chapter factorization from the book Innovative Math Books, exercise 40. Last class I have done number 1 to 6 already completed, 7 number I have written. Let us see the question number 7, what is given here. 64a cube minus 1 by b cube. First of all, tell me 64a cube means whose whole cube? That is 4a whole cube. 1 by b cube means that will be 1 by b whole cube. A cube minus b cube formula is what? A minus b, that is 4a minus 1 by b whole into a square, that is 4a square plus ab. 4a into b means here 1 by b plus 1 by b whole square. Now tell the answer. 4a minus 1 by b, this is 4a whole square, that is 16a square plus 4a by b plus 1 by b square. This is the answer of number 7 of exercise 4D, chapter factorization using the formula a cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. Let us go number 8. Question number 8 is given x cube by 64 minus y cube by 27. First tell me, x cube by 64 means x by 4 whole cube. This is y by 3 whole cube. A cube minus b cube formula you have to apply. The formula is a minus b, that means x minus 4, y minus 3 whole into x by 4 whole square plus x by 4, y by 3 plus y by 3 whole square. Finally, you are getting x by 4 minus y by 3. This is coming x square by 16 plus xy by 12 plus y square by 9. This is the answer of number 8. Let us go next number. Question number 9. It is given 8a cube b cube plus 27c cube. First of all, tell me 8a cube b cube means 2ab whole cube. 27c cube means 3c whole cube. A cube plus b cube formula is, that is a plus b, 2ab plus 3c whole into a square, that is 2ab whole square minus ab, 2ab into 3c plus 3c whole square. Just apply the formula. A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Now final answer will be, this is 2ab plus 3c, this one is 4 a square b square, 6 a b c plus 9 c square. This is the answer of number 9. Let us go number 10. Question number 10, it is given 8x to the power 6 minus 27 y cube. 8x to the power 6 means whose whole cube? This is 2x square whole cube. This one, no? This is 3y whole cube. As it is given x to the power 6, that means x square whole cube means x to the 6. Formula is a cube minus b cube. Here a is 2x square, b means here 3y. A cube minus b cube formula, that is 2x square minus 3y whole into 2x square whole square a square plus ab, 2x square into 3y plus 3y whole square. So what is the result coming? 2x square minus 3y, this one is 4x to the power 4 plus 6x square y plus 9y square. This is the answer of number 10. Next I am going to number 11. Just to see number 11 what is given here. Question number 11, it is given a to the power 6 by 8 plus 1. This is nothing but a square by 2 whole cube. Because a square whole cube, a to the power 6, 2 whole cube, 8. And 1 means I can write here 1 cube. Okay. Formula is a cube plus b cube formula, that means a square by 2 plus 1 whole into a square by 2 whole square minus ab, that is a square by 2 into 1 plus b square, that is 1 whole square. The final result coming a square by 2 plus 1, and this is a to the power 4 by 4 minus a square by 2 plus 1. In this way I have completed 5 questions on the chapter factorization exercise 4D from the innovative math books for your revision. Okay, thank you for today class. Next day I will do more sums. You have to practice. These are the sums today I have done. You have to redo all these things and practice for your coming unit test. Thanks for today class. Best of luck.